SIP investment has been a good alternative for lump sum in terms of market fluctuations and volatility. But will SIP investment be enough to generate sufficient corpus? Or should an investor do something different? We have our financial expert Mr. Gurraj with us. Gurraj, please give us more insights on how to make our SIP investment effective.
So another thing which you can practice is always go for the step up SIP. Increment your SIP every year. We call that a step up SIP. You can see your corpus can be three times if you increase it by 10% every year. So what do I mean by this? If I start with 5,000 SIP, next year I will make it 5,500. The second year I will take another 10%, 6,000 something. Because every year you get increment, right? So better you some part of it, it automatically goes as a step up SIP. Please do that if you want to create wealth.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.